Guys, you see what happened when you get off the beaten path? You fight gyms like this. There it is.
It's a train trestle.
Okay.
What are you doing? Come on, tell
I'm
them.
about to fly my drone, y'all. I'm about to get this footage for y'all. Come Adventure Bandit style.
And where are we at again?
We are Hawk's Nest.
And where? West Virginia.
Okay, if you're gonna ask me where, let me say where it's at.
Okay.
West Virginia.
Okay, here you
West
go.
Virginia.
Go in a stack and feel the sweat ooze down my back.
How about that?
Wow, and how old was you when you walked that pond?
I was in my 20s.
You was pretty deep then.
Yeah,
That was deep.
I got stoned a lot.
So guys, we went from glamping to camping. Look at our setup. Look how tight that is. This place is rustic, but this place is beautiful. Can you believe this place got a 4.6? A 4.6. So it gotta be something about this place that stands out where people rating it 4.6. And this is what it is. Some people don't care how they camp. As long as they got that scenic view, that's what they like. Some campgrounds are rustic, some are glamping, some are just beautiful. And this is, look at this. Justice?
Cathedral Falls.
Cathedral Falls?
I heard somewhere in West Virginia.
Somewhere, huh? Chris is being adventurous.
I gotta get over. I almost fell twice.
She got out there on the slippery rock.
Now it's time for me to come back because I almost fell twice. So
It's slippery.
What does it say about well, the shoes I have on or don't have any traction?
Huh?
I want to see what it says about Cathedral Falls.
Okay.
And the only thing you can do is Google it. So let's see. So we're at Cathedral Falls, and Cathedral Falls is one of West Virginia's highest and most scenic waterfalls. It is a steep cascade that falls into a natural amphitheater, which is this part right here. That's super cool.
This the amphitheater?
Yep, that's the amphitheater.
That's over here?
Yep.
Like an amphitheater?
Way cool.
Now, I would do a rustic campground any day if it had views like this. These views, you just have to be here. Don't y'all agree?
Yeah.
You got to be here to experience this.
At this time, at this moment, right now, to experience what we go through right now.
Look at that. That's just beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's see if I can get across. So I'm actually right in the middle of it. Look, got my tennis shoes on, and there is some dry spaces here. This is nice.
Now, right here, right now.
Right here. Not exactly right now, but the name of this is What Can I See, Hear, and Feel?
Okay.
I tell you.
And it's, I see the trees start to turn brown. I hear locusts and crickets and all kinds of sounds. I kind of feel tuned in to everything around. I'm sitting at the park in my hometown. Fall is coming again. Winter will soon be here. Before you know it, it's the end of the year. I sit here thinking and drinking my beer and taking what's happening around me so near. Mountains around me all covered with trees and smoke blowing gently in a soft breeze. A dog lying in the road scratching its fleas and a bird singing its song, maybe for me. I see heat waves shimmering on the railroad track and think of the past quite a while back. I hear a truck dumping coal in a stack and feel the sweat ooze down my back.
How about that?
Wow, and how old was you when you wrote that poem?
I was in my 20s.
You was
probably.
pretty deep then.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
deep.
I got stoned a lot.
So you was laying on your back stone and thought of
I tell you what, I was sitting at the park in my hometown when I wrote it.
Okay.
And I was sitting in my car with the door open, my feet out on the ground, and drinking a beer, and I wrote that poem. And I mentioned a bird singing its song in there, maybe for me. I think maybe that bird was warning me because it inspired me to write another poem, and the name of the other poem is Don't Look Up.
Good one.
It's hard to be a filmster like me because I'm always trying to get it all. You know, that's the story of my life.
Guys, we are at Hawkins State Park, and to get to this location,
You have to go up a windy road.
you gotta go through some windy roads. I mean, windy,
It's
scary. So guys, we are out. It's been raining all day. The bug's out. I'm getting bit. I'm sweaty. It's still 75 degrees, but we out here getting this footage for you. Okay, I can't see nothing. Look at this place. You can't see nothing but fog. He said you should be able to see down in the gorge.
Well, it's foggy today.
But wow.
Oh wait, you can. Look. Oh look. Wow.
That was beautiful.
See the bridge in the water?
Is that water? I see the reflection. Or is that a bridge? Huh?
A train trestle.
Is that what it is?
He said it's a train trestle. I don't think I would. Wow. Look at that. I could see if it was 100% clear. This would be cool. Look at that, you guys.
Oh wow. I might do it.
You might do it. This is called, what is this called again?
Hawk Nest.
The Hawk Nest. So you come here to West Virginia, you can stay at the campground that we're staying at, which is called New River Camp.
I really want to
And
fly my drone.
you can take a nice drive. Take a nice drive, right?
It looks like it's clearing up the more I look at it.
And you're so high up in the mountains that you get to overlook everything.
Man, it's
That's
a
why
perfect
it's
place to
called
fly a drone too.
The Nest.
The rain is gone.
It's gonna be a ride. Right.
You would say right?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's gonna be a bright.
Oh, bright. Okay.
Oh, I knew
bright
someone
sunny
saw.
day.
She said it's gonna be a right.
Look, okay, y'all. What are you doing? Come on,
I'm about to
tell
fly my
them.
drone, y'all. I'm about to
Okay.
get this footage for y'all. Come Adventure Bandit style.
And where are
Like-
we at again?
We are Hawkins.
And where? West Virginia.
Okay, if you're gonna ask me where, let me say where is that.
Okay.
West Virginia.
Okay, there you
West
go.
Virginia.
Good
Okay,
job.
this is the new bandit thing, y'all. This is what the bandit do. I'm gonna be like Adventure Bandit. Adventure Bandit.
No, don't
Like
do
a
that.
superhero.
No.
Superhero.
No, cut. Us, the clouds moved. Look.
We getting See what happened when y'all hang with the bandits? The bays?
Yeah, high up in the cloud.
You are having way too much fun.
See, this what happened with the bays, hang with the bandits. We make a left turn.
It was the wrong turn.
We make the wrong turn. So when you make the wrong turn, you get places like this. Show them the place, Shiny. Show them the place. Show them that scenic view.
Oh my gosh, they're coming back in. And it covers it back up again. Wow. So pretty. This is what West Virginia can offer you when you're camping. It's beautiful here, you guys. I love scenic stuff.
So guys, it rained cats and dogs here last night. I gotta check our breaker because a lot of things in our RV is not working. Our refrigerator's not working. Our air conditioner's not working. It's hot in the RV. Gotta make sure I got everything turned on. We like the location, the campground, yeah, but it's beautiful in this location. So we learning to embrace the good with the bad. This is just a campground to get you to a place that's beautiful. So we knew it was gonna be rain going home. We knew that the temperature was gonna drop as well. I wish I could have stayed out for a couple more days because when we got to Virginia, Virginia was still nice. Shanti wanted to stop in Virginia and stay the night over in Virginia. But we chose to push it a little further to get closer to home. I don't know if we made the right choice or not. I wanted to see the waterfalls. I wanted to stay in West Virginia to see the waterfalls. She claimed there was waterfalls in Virginia. So I ended up winning because I'm the one that's driving. But I don't know. This place it's an interesting place.
So we were told that the campers along the water right there, those are sites that are completely booked up all the way up until Labor Day. That means every single day they are staying on those sites so that they can leave out of their camper and just start fishing and look at the mountains.
Only thing with this campground, it's more of a rustic feel. So just like when we met the lady yesterday, what did the lady tell you when you was looking? Shanti was looking for concrete pads, right? And what did the lady, she seen Ashanti expression, what did she tell you this was?
She said, you are in West Virginia and welcome to West Virginia because this is how we camp.
She says this is West Virginia camping.
Yeah. So if you're looking for concrete padding, you're not going to find it here or probably not in a lot of places in West Virginia. But you do get the scenic views of the mountains and the water, and literally we were above a high elevation yesterday and it was not fog, it was the clouds. So that was different, that was nice. It can't always be glamping. This is true camping, y'all. See me unless I show you the bathroom. This is the building which they call the bathhouse, and it looks like they also have a washer and dryer. So you got your restroom. I think you need a code. Do you need a code? Yes, you do. Which makes sense because they just don't want anybody to willy-nilly stop through and use the bathroom. Yep. No, but this is the laundry room, so that's not bad. And right over there, you have a gazebo where you can look out. Not bad. And then we've seen a lot of people fishing over in this area right here as well, right outside their camper, and they're parked along that side. So you guys, you can find this little hidden gem right off of Highway 60 when you're in West Virginia. It is very scenic. It is very pretty. If you like waterfalls, it's something that you can see, view, and just say, wow, very beautiful. Thanks for coming along, you guys. If you have not by now subscribed or liked the video, please do so, and also ring that bell, you guys. More adventure coming your way. Even though this was the wrong turn for us and we were supposed to go a different route, I'm very happy and very excited that we got to see a part of this beautiful country we live in and explore it and see it firsthand. On that note, Bandits out.